Hey everyone, this is Prateek. Now, if you have gone through my previous video where I told the various steps how to enter into digital marketing, you might now be thinking, okay, digital marketing to aa gayi, but I cannot just enter into the market and go after everyone that I want to give you these kind of services, or are you open to take these kind of services? So before entering into the market, you first need to actually do the research on the market, and that is what market research is known as. So for doing the market research, I want to share a couple of hacks or maybe tools which can help you in judging that where I should enter. So the very first tool is Google Trends itself. It tells you which kind of people in which territory and what kind of keywords are trending right now on Google, and accordingly you can judge that I should enter or go after this industry. The second hack, a small trick which you can use, is to search the volume of hashtags. So it actually gives you an idea that how many people are using these hashtags on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, and accordingly you can go after those people and you can just approach them. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much.